Today in our 2015 Hyundai Sonata, we're going to be test fitting the Rhino Rack Vortex Aero Roof Rack system consisting of part numbers RRRVA126B-2. Those are the Vortex Aero crossbars, 49 inches long. These bars are also available in silver as part number RRVA126S-2. Part number RRRLKVA, these are the 2500 series legs for the Aero crossbars. And finally part number DK455, and this is the custom fit kit for the Hyundai Sonata. The Rhino Rack Vortex Aero Roof Rack system enables you to carry a wide variety of accessories on your roof while freeing up space inside your vehicle. This can carry anything from bike racks to cargo baskets to cargo boxes. It does have lockable end caps. You just take our tool, turn it to the unlock position, and you can see that you can use T-track accessories with this as well. You would take out the strip, place your accessory in, and cut your strip to length around that. Now there are some other roof rack bars out there that you can just simply push down the rubber pad on the inside and slide them into place as well, but those tend to be a little bit more high-end, with this being the more economical choice. The bars do have an aerodynamic shape to them, and that, coupled with the Vortex Aero strip on the top, as well as the strip that we place underneath, that's going to cut down the wind noise and drag while you're driving, and it also makes sure that you don't need a fairing that you would have to buy separately to cut down that noise as well. Putting the end cap back into place, you can replace this with an actual lock core, so you make a key to like with your roof rack end cap here, as well as the accessories that you're driving with. The end caps do come with the locks included, so you can secure this to the roof of your vehicle. It's very easy to install. It simply clamps into place and comes with the tools to do so. Both bars combined have a carrying capacity of 165 pounds, but you always want to double check with your vehicle's manual to make sure it can withstand those weights. Next, I'm going to give you a measurement, and that's going to be from the center of the roof to the top of the bar, as well as the bottom of the bar. From the center of the roof to the top of the bar is going to be 4 inches, and from the center of the roof to the underneath of the bar, that's going to be 2.5 inches. Now that we've gone over some of the features of the roof rack system, let's go ahead and show you how it installs. We have our front bar already installed onto our vehicle, and we have our rear bar partially assembled on our table. Our next step is to flip this up and start installing our components. We have our leg, the fit kit, the 2 end caps that we can lock into place, as well as the keys to do so. We have our tightening tool and our end cap tool to take those off as well. Once we remove our end cap, we'll flip it upside down just because it's a little easier to put in that way. And now we can take the end here and slide it into our T-slot of our bar, like so. At this point, we'd actually take a plastic piece to measure out the spacing in between here, but for demonstration purposes, we'll just measure it out with our measuring tape. With that measured out, we'll take our included tightening tool and tighten down that screw in the center, and then we can start installing our fit kit. Next, we'll put our rubber pad into place, and it just fits in like so. You just push it in and make sure that the arrow is facing the right way. Next, we'll install our clamp here. We'll loosen up the bolt at the end all the way. Once we have that removed, we'll put our clamp into place. Then we'll loosely install our bolt just to hold that in place. Then we'll finally put our end cap back on and secure that as well. Now we're ready to set this onto our vehicle. We'll open our rear doors and set our bar in place. Now, how we measured out for our front bars, we measured from the center of the door jamb here to the center of our front bar. To get the crossbar spread now, we'll measure from center to center of the bars, and we'll do this on both sides. Now we can start tightening them down using the included tool. You will notice that this is curved, and when it's completely straight, it's torqued down to its specifications, and this is designed so you don't over tighten it. And you want to tighten this down evenly on both sides as well. Now we can install our end caps, push those into place and lock them down, and then we can install our accessories and hit the road. And there you have it for the Rhino Rack Vortex Aero Roof Rack system on our 2015 Hyundai Sonata.